Welcome back to my channel, and sorry it's been so long since I've made a video. This is going to be a wooden shelf made with mahogany and birch plywood, and these are just going to be utility shelves in my basement, but I wanted to make a quick video of it and show you one way to make a shelf. Here I am first just breaking down the mahogany pieces. I'm just cutting them to 3/4 of an inch thick, and these are the strips that are going to go around the perimeter of the plywood. Then I'm going to take the mahogany pieces over to the miter saw and cut them down to the approximate size. That one already has been mitered. So what I did is I only cut miters for the front piece. The back side is just going to be a regular 90-degree cut instead of a 45-degree because it's going to be against the wall and it's not going to show. So you can see the miters there came together pretty good. I will do a little bit of touching up on them. Here I am wrapping the mahogany around the plywood to cover up the ply. It's going to have overhang, so it's going to look thicker than the actual plywood itself. And the miters came together pretty well. I will do a slight amount of touch up with just putting some glue and doing a little bit of sanding to make some dust to fill in any gaps that may have been in those mitered corners. I just used a ton of clamps to hold this together until it dried. And I made 2 shelves identical to that. Most of the miters came together pretty tightly, as you can see there, but I did do a little bit of touch up on them. They're just held together simply with wood glue. And you can see that is the top side of that miter, which definitely needed some work. So what I did is, as you can see here, is put a little glue in there and sand it over them. Just a little note, miter saws, at least in my opinion, I have not been able to get the best miters on a miter saw. I get more accurate miters on a table saw. After those miters are all sanded and the whole table was sanded, I just wiped on a coat of Danish oil, and you can see the mahogany pop. I put the Danish oil on the underside as well, just so if somebody's looking at the mahogany from the bottom, it looks nice and shiny. I did not put any polyurethane on this. Again, these are just utility shelves in my shop. And there is the finished product. Just wanted to give you a quick and easy build, and I will have more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.